Hi everyone. So let's test something. I want to see if I can, if I have an object like the blue one, how can I make an outline of, kind of make another shape that uses the outline of the previous object. So our example is this one. So the example is this one, and to trace it, like I traced it from this side and I used the sketch tool to do this. Like if we can put the sketch tool on top of the object and we will see this, and we can kind of use our tools to outline the basic shape. Then we can come back and adjust it. Let's take a quick look at the finished thing. So it's like this, and it's kind of tilted that it's a little bit annoying. If we want to have a straight object, we better use a cube first. So for this one, I used a cube. Let me do it for you. So bring the cube and put it in front of, like in front of the object from the side that you want to trace. And then go to sketch and put your brush, like sketch tool, on top of the face of your cube. Now, this may be a little confusing. Let's change the size of the cube. Let's make this a little bit bigger so that we know which one is the cube. Now we can select the sketch and go back to edit sketch. Now we can see our object. Let's assume that it's a shape that we want to trace. So this is the shape. And just go with a simple shape. And then it's easier if you do this and then edit the shape later. Let me see. Okay. So here we don't need this pointed shape. We can go select the point and make it smooth. So drag the handles and move your point. See, like we cannot go exactly there, but let's see how close we can get to the shape. This is perfect, almost perfect. And then maybe we can adjust this a little bit. If we click this point and break the handles, we can move each part of each side of the point separately. Like see, when I'm changing this, the other side doesn't change. Let's go and finish sketch. This one we don't need. We can delete or we can hide using this one. So if you click the light bulb, it will hide. So if we traced the outline of the shape that, like the object that we had here, it's not very precise, but it's as precise as it can get, right? Probably if we make this one much bigger and then trace and at the end scale it down, it will be better. I'm guessing that's a better approach. Okay, that was it. And yeah, I hope it helped you. Okay, that was the video and see you next time. Bye.